Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 4 of week 9, and we will revise few more concepts of fundamentals of computer. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed few careers in IT field and field of IT, and these careers were multimedia designer, information security analyst, and computer teacher. Multimedia designer designs and design and organize the information in an easy to understand interactive manner. He combines text, graphics, audio, video to present an information, and information security analyst is responsible for protecting the information in organization from unauthorized access. And computer teacher teaches the subject of the computer science to teach the students to make them computer literate. Today we will discuss about computer hardware. Computer hardware is basically the physical components of the computer that make up a computer system, like CPU, keyboard, monitor, and we can physically touch those components. So the computer hardware is classified into input devices like mouse, keyboard, etc., system unit, storage devices like CD, RAM, ROM, and output devices like monitor and memory like main memory, or you can say secondary memory. Input, first of all, I will discuss about input devices. What is the purpose of input device? Input device is used to feed data into the computer system, and these devices allow us to communicate with the computer. Examples of input devices include keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, and touch screen. First of all, I will discuss about keyboard. Keyboard is the main input device, and it is used to communicate with the computer. Through keyboard, the computer user can enter letter, numbers, special symbols into the computer. You can write in the document by using the keyboard. Mouse is another input device. By using mouse, we can give commands to the computer. And let's say that when we have to open any application or any icon, we will double click that icon with the help of a mouse, and in that way we are giving the commands to the computer using the mouse. It is a handheld device, and it controls the movement of the cursor on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons, and these buttons are used for selection of an icon or application, and it is used to draw graphics, opening of files and folders and programs, etc. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device with a vertical lever attached to the base of a joystick. You can see in the figure. This lever resembles the gear in your car. Lever has buttons to activate the certain events. For example, when you play games, you can fire, jump by pressing these buttons. The joystick is most commonly used for computer games. Review. Today we have discussed about computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of the computer, and in the computer hardware we have discussed about input devices. We have discussed about keyboard. Keyboard is used to feed data in the computer. For example, you can enter letter, alphabets, special symbols in the computer with the help of a keyboard. Mouse is used to give commands to the computer. It is a handheld device. By using mouse, you can select, draw image, open and close the file. And thirdly, we have discussed about joystick. Joystick is a pointing device with a vertical lever mounted on the base, and this lever has buttons to activate certain events. This is all we have studied today. Now I will discuss about the assignment. You have to learn about the input devices, that is keyboard, mouse and joystick. This is end of our lecture. I hope you understand it. Thank you.